Andrea with Clueless Mummy D in the Minnie costume this time. Minnie is one of my favorites, and I know it's my boy Mickey's favorite too. It is another takeover. You are on Auntie Tay's awesome channel. You don't want to miss the creations that happen on here, so hit subscribe. And this time for a takeover, it's not a Halloween theme. So I'm showing you how to make these $3 DIY rustic coasters. Here's why I wanted to make some coasters. I'm going to be redoing this little end table in the living room, and Mickey is always drinking his, his cold one on the table and leaving some rings. Calm down, guys, it's kombucha. So I'm gonna show you how I made these fabulous coasters. And after that, if you really enjoyed your time with me, make sure you pop into the description and click on my link to my channel. To keep in touch, you can hit subscribe and the bell so you can always find me here or there or everywhere. Let's get to it. Hopefully my arms aren't flapping. Let's DIY.
For this project, you're going to need these wood cubes. You can pick them up at Dollar Tree in the crafting section, and also this little wood holder thingy. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's in the craft section at Dollar Tree too. Dollar Tree's shoe polish. This is my first time trying it out. I'll let you know how it goes. And as always, my favorite chalk paint from shopauntitay.com. I do have a discount code in the description if you need chalk paint to come to your door that rocks, and some Dollar Tree stencils and wood glue. I love this L-shaped ruler. I've seen many people use it, and I love it for craft projects like this where you need to glue things into place. So I just lined it up and glued them together. But do you see how I dumped all the blocks to the side? Don't do that. Make sure you do this and make the blocks come out exactly how they were in the package. The first coaster I made is not lined up perfectly because they were all jumbled, and I didn't realize that would affect how it turns out. But the way they have it in the packet is perfect. You're just going to glue the sides that you know are going to touch the next piece, put them together, and make sure you wipe off with a damp cloth any excess glue before you let it dry. So after it was dried, I went ahead and sanded any spots of glue that were visible so that it wouldn't pick up when I stained it. And you can see my little helper, my little son over in the corner. He's getting right in there. And he has already taken these coasters and dropped them and thrown them, and they are tough, guys. So this is a good quality product for $3 that you're making. These coasters are perfect for Christmas coming up as gifts. Now the shoe polish, I wanted to try it because it is a Dollar Tree project. Honestly, I would just use a stain if you have a stain, but this is kind of fun. If you don't have a stain, you're in Dollar Tree before closing, you want to make these coasters, go ahead and grab the shoe polish. So I started off with the brown. You want to make sure you're definitely in a well-ventilated room so it can air out, and also use a glove to protect your hand. I love this little finger sponge thing from the Dollar Tree, and I just did the brown and then went over top of it with the black. Some Dollar Trees, I believe, have like a brown, black, and white shoe polish combo, and I would have actually used all three on there, but I still love the way this looked when it dried. I did go ahead on and do the same thing to the holder, and then after I went and just kind of scraped off any excess that was in the corners of anything. And now it's stenciling time. Comment below, give me your pointers. This is why I'm Clueless Mama D. I go from clueless to I got this on things, and I always mess up stencils. This is the awesome chalk paint. Again, in the description there's a coupon code. I love Craft Up paint because it dries so quick and I'm always in a hurry, so it is perfect. Perfect. So I put this on, and as you can see, I put it on wrong. It's totally off to one side because that's just how I roll. And I did the stencil. I did have to touch up around the H a little bit, but that's what I mean. Like, I just dabbed it. I don't know. What's your pointers with stencils? Let me know. And then look, oh my gosh, it just fits in there. It's got its own holder. Look at that, looks so nice. So not only can you obviously use it as a traditional coaster, but if you are not subscribed to my channel, I showed you how I decorated my kitchen for the fall, and I used a couple coasters to prop up a pumpkin on the counter. It's so nice. Make sure you check out the description if you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell there so we keep in touch. And don't forget to subscribe to Auntie Tay's channel here as well. Love you!